Hey guys, welcome back. Chili Sports Cards. Got a new video today. Send it out in an SGC order. Hang on a second. Was gonna use Bobbles and do the group submission, but I wanted to get it in the mail today, and it's tomorrow Sunday, and I'm not gonna be able to ship it out until Monday, and it's probably just not gonna get there on time. So I decided, I'll just send out what I'm gonna send out on my own. Pay an extra $5 per card. I actually took a couple cards off the order because I didn't think that they would get as good of a grade as I thought they would, so I took them off. I was gonna send 10 cards, but I cut it down to 8. So I'm gonna go over the cards, and then I'm gonna give you my predictions, like I usually do. Just a small little 8-card order. I did send out a PSA submission March 8th. So I'm very curious to see if I do one SGC submission a month, how many will I get back before the PSA? I'm very curious. I'm guessing if I do one a month, it's going to be 6 or 7. So, that's going to speak pretty big in my eyes as far as, potential return of investment and what I can get back and how fast I can get back stuff with SGC compared to PSA. It's true that, I might be able to get more for the PSA cards, but would I rather get the cards back sooner is the question. So I think the card's going to dictate what I want to do with each card. I do have a PSA membership, so I could send these cards into PSA. One of these right here, the Fernando Tatis Refractor, I should probably send to PSA, but I'm going to send it to SGC and see how it does first. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. Card number 1, 2018 Select Tom Brady. It's the red gold, number to 199. Card's pretty clean, but a lot of times these cards have funny surface printing lines and stuff like that. So edges and everything, are pretty clean. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 9.5. You know what? Let's write it right here next to it on the left-hand side. I think that this card is gonna get a 9.5. I think it looks better than a 9, and this is a tough card to get a 10 on. So on to the next card. 2018 Russ. The rookies, Josh Allen. Probably the same type of thing here. The bottom corner looks a tad bit funny, but overall not bad. This back corner right here looks a little funny, but not bad. I'm going to go ahead and probably say this one's got a 9. You might be asking yourself, well, why are you going to send it if you think it's going to get a 9? I like Josh Allen. I think it's a cool card. It's going to be a PC card. It's a card that I'm not going to be selling. The Tom Brady, probably. I'm going to be probably selling that one. So next card, 95 Leaf. Statistical Standouts, King Griffey Jr. I can see this card getting 8.5. It's an older card. It looks like it's mint. I mean, these back borders that are kind of rough on the chipping, but that corner has a little white. It's a PC card. It's not going to be a flip card for me. I just want to see it in an SGC case, so I'm going to guess it's going to get an 8.5. Next card, 93 Russ. Elite Dominator. Centering's not bad. I could see this card getting a 9. It's actually a pretty clean copy. It wouldn't surprise me if it got a 9.5, but considering it's a 93 card, I don't expect that to happen. So we'll give it a 9. But I do think that it has a possibility to get a 9.5. Or, it could even 8.5. But I'm pretty sure that it won't get it worse than 8.5. Alright, next card. 2019 Top Series 2 Eloy Jimenez All-Star Stamp. This card could he get a 10? could get a 9.5. Heck, it could get a 9. It looks mint. If I had to guess, just judging just off centering, I don't know. I think it'll get a 9.5. Okay, 2019 Topps Chrome Fernando Tatis Jr. Refractor. Topps Chrome Refractor Fernando Tatis Jr. It's a beautiful card. I did check it out. I took it out and I took a good look at it. I actually think that this card's going to get a 10, guys. As far as centering goes, I need to take a better look at it and compare it to like a SGC 10 gold label. But for just pure raw damage or, stuff on the card, it's flawless. This card's really, really nice. So I'm going to put down a 10. It won't surprise me if it gets a 9.5. I'll be pretty upset if it gets a 9. Okay, next card, Topps Montgomery, Fernando Tatis. This is like the poster version. It's not the original Topps Series 2, but it is a Montgomery. Yeah, this is kind of like the modern day Tiffany stuff, if you ask me. So, straight out the words of Baubles and Ball Cards. Let's put down for a 9. I'm hoping it'll get a 9.5, but I did notice like a little thing right there, right by where his groin's at, is like a little pinhole thing, a little dent. So next card, 2014 Derek Carr Topps Finest Art Rookie Patch Autograph, numbered to 99. It's a sweet card. It is a thicker card, but they have graded 2013 Topps Finest RPAs like this for me before. Nolan Arenado's, so we'll just have to see. I'm pretty sure that they'll slab it, and I'm pretty sure that it's going to get a 9 or a 9.5. Let's put 9.5. That's what I'm hoping for. So, that's going to do it for the order. I'm going to do the 8 cards. I am going to ship this card in this one touch. I don't think that SGC is going to have a problem with it. I don't have a top loader that's thick enough for it. So I'm just going to ship it out like that. So one of the things I really like about SGC, they're not so anal about stuff like that. You can send in as many cards as you want. They could be all across the spectrum on years. There's not any limitations to what you want. You can send them 1 card. You can send them 5 cards. You can send them 50 cards. You can send them 26 cards. The only thing that SGC lacks right now, in my opinion, is the auto authentication. But this one won't have any issues because it's certified Topps. It says so right here. Right underneath the autograph, it says Topps certified autograph. So they'll do that. But if you just have like a regular card, say like this Herbert Prism, and he signed it, they won't verify it or whatever. They won't slab it as authentic. So SGC needs to try to figure out something to do with that. And also the thicker cards, the 200 point, 150, 180, the really thick cards. I think they need to get their act together with that stuff and be able to get those slabbed, because cards like this right here, see how thick this card is? It's an immaculate Nolan Arenado. I'm pretty sure they won't slab that card. It's too thick. So stuff like that I think that they can work on. But the turnaround times are excellent right now. Really, really good. And I'm just going to send out some orders to SGC in the next 5 or 6 months, and we're going to see how many I get back before the ones that I sent to PSA comes back. It's going to be good. It's going to be fun. And hopefully these all do as well as I hope they do. The only 10 that I put down was actually that Fernando Tatis. That's the only one. So that's a really clean card. I'm looking forward to seeing what SGC says about that one. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Peace.